you guys go through to see it. Just take that tram like you did before. Go up 2 levels to ticketing and check-in. Go through security there. You got your boarding passes. Then you take the train like you did to Terminal B, but just take it to A.
11:48. Boarding's at 11:55.
Wasn't that long? It was only like 2 hours.
Well, I've been in the car since 10:30.
Oh, jeez.
I'm leaving Arkansas. So.
Damn, you left this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always. Oh, wow, the weather's nice out here.
Dang.
Got fluffy, huh?
It is fluffy.
I've been in the steam room all week.
Yeah.
And man, it's made it softer. I was shocked. I was like,
everybody I touched different. How are you? This is Kobe K.
Hi, Chad.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is our wrecker.
Oh, okay.
I like your tattoos.
Oh, thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
It's the big boy mail in. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, man. I didn't know where you were.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought you were this other guy. Yeah, how's it going?
Micro pack. First form. Yeah, you can pet the beard if you want.
Blessed Jesus. Okay.
Like, blessed Jesus. I've signed some interesting things forward. Yeah, I don't mind. I'm just
You did not see that, right? Nope, didn't see that.
I like doing a little smiley face.
Hey, what's up, guys? We just finished up here at Motorcycles, Mobsters, and Mayhem with Nikki and the author Winter. It was a fabulous event. It turned out amazing. Tons of people came, signed a ton of autographs,
Yes.
ton of pictures too. Definitely did some crazy things, as you all could see. Shirt came off, beard was getting touched, still getting touched. So Nikki, where can they get the book from and anything else
you
they
can
need?
get Wrecker. It releases tomorrow, but you can go ahead and order it now. You can get an ebook form or the physical form. And you can get it through Barnes & Noble, iTunes, or Amazon.
Awesome.
That's simple.
And this is the fourth book of the series?
That's correct.
Okay. So yeah, guys, just check it out. It's a 4-part series. Is it going to be other parts?
There'll be more books.
Okay.
The next one in the series, the 5th book, is Boink. And
Okay.
it'll be about, I think, about 4 months usually.
Yeah,
'cause
definitely.
We've got another series called the Nitro Cruise series, and she's got a book called Whole Shot that's coming out
Awesome.
in 2 months. And
Awesome.
so after that, then the 5th book, Boink. will
Yeah,
be
and
coming
Winter,
out.
you're writing a book every 2 weeks, right?
Every 2 months.
Oh, every 2 months?
I'm
Okay,
kind of
sorry, I thought it was every 2 weeks.
Every 2 months.
I was like, that's a lot of writing. But still, every 2 months is a lot, you know, considering, you know, everything that goes into getting this to be like this. There's a lot that goes into this, guys. So we'll have the links below for you guys, but, you know, be sure to check it out. It was an amazing event. I'm very honored to be on the cover of the book. I just want to thank you, Winter.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah,
It was
awesome.
amazing
And thank you, Nikki, for
You're
so much.
welcome.
They were so helpful. But guys, check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Man, it's like guy was in there talking to me about a driver, and he has a Frenchie. So then you get to talking, and you're like, all right. And then meanwhile, you're like, wait a minute, I need to get out of here.
Like, I got a plane to
Fuck,
catch, man.
Like, you guys were keeping me up. I didn't even realize it. I just kept talking with you guys. Damn. Hate when that happens. God. It's like all you have to do is ask me one thing, and I'm just like,
You get sidetracked.
yeah. Like, yeah. It's like, yeah, I'm having a real problem with the food. And then, you know, and then they ask another question, oh, is he real active? I mean, well, it depends. Is somebody who's coming over? I mean, is somebody coming over? Is it somebody new? Then yeah, he's going to be a little hyper. If it's just me, oh, he's chill. If it's somebody on the regular that comes by, oh, he's chill. Well, when does he like to eat? Well, that's another thing about him. It's sometimes he eats in the morning, sometimes he doesn't eat in the morning. Sometimes he eats in the evening, sometimes he doesn't even eat all day. I mean, you never know what you're going to get with Driver every single day. It's like, he'll wait for like 4 or 5 hours to take a piss. I'm like, dude, you don't need to pee. You just got up. I mean, you've been sleeping for 8 hours. And you still don't need to pee?